Hello and welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Paul. And today, I'm very excited to bring you the Lightning to Headphone Jack by Apple. Let's take a look at it. You can currently find this adapter on Apple's website for only $9, and despite me doing my best to look for product information, compatibility, and specs, I was not able to find too much on this besides the fact that this is basically compatible with anything with a Lightning port, such as the iPhone 5 and above, all the way up to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Again, there was no specifications that I was able to find anywhere in the website included for this thing, other than the fact that, again, that it's a 3.5 millimeter jack paired to an aux cord that will allow you to enjoy an auxiliary jack out of your Lightning port enabled iPhone. There's a little green arrow up here that you can pull to remove this, like so. Inside the box, we got a little certification of and compliance, as well as a little warranty guide that you know says 1 year manufacturer's warranty against defects, yada yada yada, all that good stuff. And that's about it. We don't really get anything else in our little box besides those little paperwork. We're gonna put that aside for right now. And the actual adapter itself, I like how Apple has now switched to all paper packaging. It makes it just a little more earth friendly. And here is the little dongle itself. It is a very plain, very flimsy dongle. If you ask me, for such a high-end company, you would expect this to be a much thicker cable. Just in comparison, here is a Lightning to Type-C cable put side by side, and you can see just how much thinner the gauge is compared to a charging cable. Now I get it, this is an audio cable only. However, that's sad. I'm not a fan of it. I've already had one of these, and it feels like this is going to break and it's like going to snap at any given chance or any second. It's just going to fall apart. This is really not conference inspiring. One other thing that I did notice right away, or that I saw from other videos, is the fact that the dongle actually comes with this little rubber gasket right along the Lightning port, and you can see that we don't have it when we have a normal other charging cable. There is no rubber gasket, and I'm going to assume that rubber gasket is there to protect the DAC, which is a digital to analog converter that is included in this dongle. As you all know, this dongle will allow you to enjoy your music out of your Lightning only enabled iPhone or any other Lightning enabled peripheral that you may have. Go ahead and let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts on this? I'm sure I'm a little later to the party, and I'm sure all of you guys have already expressed your opinions. However, I'd like to hear them one more time down in the comment section. And as always, thanks for watching.